Joji, I feel like I need to warn you about something.
Yeah.
Chef Ludo's coming back.
Like the French guy?
Yeah, the French guy.
Like omelet du fromage?
Mm-hmm.
Ludo?
Omelet du fromage.
That dude's kind of like, it's kind of like Giga Ramsay. Like it's kind of like borderline abusive.
I don't know, I kind of liked him.
I don't know, dude's kind of scary. I mean, you were fine with him. He was about to make you his like sous-chef or some shit. I don't even know what that is. Like, I mean, but I know he's got like a rat like in his hat.
Really?
Yeah, like controls him. Like
that's tight.
Like, that's why he's such a good fucking cook, dude.
That's
And when he doesn't have his hat, I don't know where he puts it. I don't want to know. But like,
dude, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Like I said, always believe in yourself, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, totally. All right, man. Yeah, I'm Rich Brian.
And I'm Joji.
Last summer, we became master chefs at the 88 Rising Summer Mansion.
And this year, we're teaming up with even more chefs and special guests and asking a few of our 88 Rising label mates to help us out.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
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 Yo, what up? I'm Rich Brian.
And I'm Joji.
And we're back at Feast Mansion, the greatest fucking cooking show in the world, the most professional.
Fuck Ramsay.
And yeah, and today, what do we got here, man?
I was feeling kind of Western today.
Okay.
Thought if there's like some sort of party later, then maybe like, you know, we'd make some burgers.
All right, all right.
American style.
Okay.
Dude.
I think I have the perfect. I think I have the perfect man for that. Chef Ludo, if you wanna come in here.
Chef, how are you? Ça va, you good guys?
Ça va?
Ça va? Ça va bien?
Damn.
Good.
Yeah.
Bon, thank you for having me back. Huh? Thank you guys.
Of course.
No, welcome
Thank you.
back. Welcome back,
You did a
chef.
good job the last time.
Oh yeah, I did a great job. Fuck, how did I miss that one? Wow.
How's your cooking now? Omelette.
Oh, it's so much better.
I knew. Right?
It's a lot better. Yeah, I've been watching that video a lot, man.
Good.
I've been watching like our own video, like a lot.
Bon.
As a tutorial.
As a tutorial. All right, guys, so I'm about to flip the omelet. So let's hope I don't fuck this up.
No, don't. She's
Three,
beautiful. So you
two,
need to go really like.
3,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4,
1.
go! Bon, but today we're going to do a Big Mec.
Yeah.
You
know?
I'm a big Mac fan.
Yeah. Not a Big Mac, it's a Big Mac.
Big Mac?
Yeah,
What?
Big Mac.
Uh-huh.
What? Bro, it's already happening.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm getting fucked
So
with.
let's go talk about the burger, guys. So the Big Mac burger, you know, it was very important for me to do like a burger at the restaurant, but the burger need to be French.
Of course.
How you make a burger French? By making amazing sauce. And I do this Bordelais sauce with a base of red wine
Okay.
and veal stock. It's a burger to eat almost with a fork and knife. You see, I'll show you why. So
Right,
a lot of sauce,
yeah,
okay?
yeah.
What I do with my meat, I use hanger steak
Hanger steak, okay.
and short ribs.
Shortbread?
Brown everything, mix it, and voila.
That's cool.
Okay, and I put 2 patty in my burger.
Okay.
Each patty is 4 ounces. Cheddar cheese,
Okay.
brioche bun.
Okay.
You know why brioche?
Yep.
You know why?
Why?
Because it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm French, so.
Oh, I see,
Ah,
I see.
come on, guys, okay?
Yeah.
So first, we're going to toast the bun. So we'll put some clarified butter here.
Okay.
Some clarified butter.
Make sure the brioche soaks the
Okay.
fat. See?
I'd eat just that. Some toast.
Voila. So now we'll take our patty. So you have a mix of kosher salt and black pepper. So make sure the seasoning
Celery.
both sides, okay? A lot of salt. Okay, you want layer, black pepper. Voila.
Amazing.
Voila.
All right.
Sizzle.
Okay, some cheese here.
I was moving it with my,
With your mind.
yeah.
I love to put 2 patty.
Yeah.
But some people put a big thing of patty. And
Okay.
Like a quarter pounder.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah,
I don't know. You know, I prefer very thin patty and really smash them. You know, like
Yeah. I agree. I'm a two patties
You
man
know?
as well.
Oh, guys, be careful, guys. Cameron, put that in the oven. We're going to melt the cheese a little bit.
All right.
Put in the oven here, okay?
How many Fahrenheit so the viewers know?
Wow, 400, chef.
400. All right. You just call me chef.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Just call me chef.
Put our Thousand Island here. So a bit generous, generosity.
Yep.
Want a lot of sauce. Now we're gonna go over there. Let's go, guys.
Oh, that was crazy.
Okay.
Whoa.
The juice is really down.
It's getting out of hand.
Now we're gonna put the bordelais sauce, okay? So
Damn,
this sauce,
it's still
that's what
cooking.
makes the burger very French. Bordelais sauce, red wine and veal stock.
Okay.
Oh,
And
that's
butter,
crazy.
shallot. And now we put the top here.
I can see how you have to eat it with a fork.
And you
right?
press.
Damn.
Oh my
So
God.
where's the rat that you hide in the? You don't have a chef's hat. So where's
No, I don't.
where's the rat?
What's
That-
the rat?
The rat that controls you, because like you're like
Ah,
really
the
good.
rat. The rat, like
Yeah.
Ratatouille, the movie.
Yes, but where is
Yeah.
he in the?
I don't have a rat, sorry. I just never have a rat in my life.
You're just that good. Huh?
Thank God I don't have a rat in the kitchen, my God. Oh, bonjour, you gotta squeeze it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Open the mouth.
Ooh. Let's do this.
Oh my God. Wow, the pro. The pro.
Jeez, Ludo, what the fuck? It's amazing.
It's good, huh?
That shit is crazy.
That's when you like the food you do like.
Yeah.
Like that, Brian?
I just like it.
It's Brian's way.
This is like me looking for affirmation. Like, is this, are you also enjoying this? It's really good.
It is good though.
This is amazing.
The bread is toasted very nicely. How do you say?
Très bon.
Très bon.
Très bon. Français,
So
like
good.
very good. Yeah, très bon.
That's amazing.
So you see, it's very simple, huh? Burger
Very
for me,
simple.
it's all about the bread and the patty and the sauce. That's it. And trust me, this thing you need to have a fork and knife and really
Wow.
crack it and eat the sauce with that.
It's like steak with bread.
Yeah. Steak with bread.
So that's why it's French, you know, like really like a lot of sauce in the burger.
Chef Ludo, thank you so much for showing us the French twist of a burger. That was literally the best burger I've ever had. So I want to try making like an Indonesian burger though. I'm gonna make my own Indonesian burger. It's like the satay burger.
Right.
Joji, what are you making?
I would love to make for you a teriyaki burger.
Okay.
good,
Replicated by McDonald's.
Sounds
Yeah,
good.
my man Ronald is
Can't wait to
he's a clown, but he's cool.
try that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, last year me and Joji worked together to kind of, you know, impress you. But I feel like this year we're gonna go kind of head to head on this burger making competition. And, you know, whoever wins gets to be your sous chef.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
On y va?
Let's go. So good. This is the teriyaki, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I remember how some of these shits were made.
So you're using just pork, can you? Georgie, you using pork.
Is this pork?
Yeah,
Don't look
that's-
the same. But
Oh, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, shit.
what's up?
I burnt it.
Oh!
Oh, abomination.
Ah!
Oh, okay.
You're good.
Y'all are out here trying to make me lose my groove.
Oh! Oh la vache! That's hot. Oh, you put the mayo like that?
Slow bit.
Ah!
Maybe.
Dude, this shit hurts, right?
Damn. What are you using? What's the?
What is
That's
this
the,
sauce,
that's
man?
the satay sauce.
Sauté sauce?
Yeah. Satay sauce usually includes some peanut sauce, some sweet soy sauce in it. And
Yeah, we really have the peanuts, yeah, it's good.
yeah.
The bread is toasted very well.
Oh wait.
Mr. Jody to give a nice coloration to this burger.
You know what? If my music ends up sucking, then I'm gonna work at McDonald's. You know what I mean? No, I'm kidding. They won't hire me after an altercation in 2008. Okay, fuck.
Time to build the burger. What is this, man?
This is a little bit sambal.
Sambal. Ah.
Just a little bit, just a little vibe.
Do you put some dry shrimp like that?
Yeah,
Usually?
I might.
Just to give it a little crunch.
Yeah, get a little crunch, you know?
I put on some cucumber just to get that little crunch in there because, you know, Joji has the crispy shrimp.
Crispy shrimp, yeah.
I'm gonna steal your egg. That's
totally fine.
I've had an egg in this before.
Chopstick.
Nice.
Very smart.
So this is my Indonesian burger right there.
This is my custom
beauty.
teriyaki burger. I call it the fur burger. It's
what?
I call it the fur burger because it's like it's a special type of burger.
Fur burger?
Fur burger. Yeah.
All right, so me and Joji worked really hard on our burgers, and oh shit,
Sorry.
so me and Joji worked really hard on our burgers, and then you know it's time to taste it. It's time to taste it.
Let's go do it, man. I'm excited to
I'm
taste that.
gonna cut mine
Cut it
open,
off, yeah.
and you know.
No, stay. Put your finger like that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Nope.
This is alive, the thing, or what's?
It's okay. I'll reassemble it once. There we go. Okay.
So first, I'm going to try your Brian burger. Okay. Look good. Easy to take.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Let me just.
Yeah.
I got
Okay.
you.
Great.
I wash my hands. Don't worry.
Okay. I got it.
And then do you want to? No. You got it. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to try the burger of Joji, huh?
Damn. It's over. I'm gonna just pack it. It's done.
Wait, really? All right, so Ludo, you tried both of our burgers. Yeah, so what do you think, man?
Brian, I really love your burger. I think it was built very well.
Thank you.
You built a lot of good
you, Chef.
flavor over there.
Thank you, Chef.
Easy to eat. And love with the satay sauce. Really love
Thank
it. And the crunchiness of the cucumber and the beef was great. Well,
Thank you, Chef.
Well executed.
Thank you.
Joji, mon ami,
Yeah.
love your burger, love your technique.
Thank you.
It was so fun to watch you building the burger. Love your approach about the pork and the teriyaki. Love the eggs. I mean, everything making sense. You're just missing something, a little kick in your burger. You know, it's a teriyaki burger. I don't taste that much of teriyaki.
Can we all hold hands so it's like the boxing thing?
So it was a very, it was an ignominious decision in my head, you know. And the winner is. Hey, it was good, but you're missing one more teriyaki here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Thank you so much for teaching us. Thank you.
Guys, you're just missing more teriyaki sauce, bro.
I know. I thought I was.
That's it.
You know what it was?
That's it.
No, you know what it was? Yesterday we had a pizza episode,
Yeah.
and the dude was like, "Don't use too much marinara sauce, or you're gonna fuck it up." And then I had that in my head, and I was like,
yeah.
"Oh, I can't use too much teriyaki."
That's it.
Totally different countries. I don't know why I made that connection. Totally different cultures. Like, there we go. Next time, more teriyaki.
All right, so, you know, me and Joji, we just obviously made the best burgers in the world. And, you know, but I won. I'm sorry, Joji, but
all
I'm
good.
going to start my job tomorrow with Ludo at 7 a.m. as your sous chef.
Yes.
And, yeah.
And I'll go back to my stamp collection.
And we're Feast Mansion, the greatest fucking cooking show in the world. Chef Ludo, thank you so much for coming back to us. And,
Pleasure.
yeah.
Thank you guys for
Cheers.
having me again. Cheers.
Salud.
Cheers.
Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? This is Sean Evans checking in with a very exciting hot sauce update. Our first ever collaborative sauce, it's here. 88 Rising, First We Feast, joining forces to make Dragon in the Clouds. You saw me, Joji and Rich Brian mixing it up in the cauldron, yuzu from Japan, Szechuan peppercorn from China, and of course, you know your boy brought the heat. But don't worry, we got some professionals together to make sure this stuff is FDA approved. Extremely limited, very quality, and something we're super proud of. If you want to get your hands on Dragon in the Clouds, visit 88nightmarket.com. That's 88nightmarket.com. Don't miss your chance. The dragon, it can fly away.